Hello everyone,
I Shubhangi Srivastav
and I Divya Bharti. We are students of Infinity Management and Engineering College, Sagar, Madhya Pradesh from the Department of Computer Science Engineering.
Today we are going to present how to create a LAN cable and how to create a straight connection LAN cable and its application, and other types of connection such as rollover and crossover will be shown in the upcoming videos.
In this video, we will be using unshielded twisted pair category 6 cable, also known as UTP.
These connections require standard color codes which are categorized as A color code and B color code. The arrangement of wires in A color code is as follows: orange white, orange, green white, blue, blue white, green, and brown white, brown. Whereas the arrangement of wires in B color code is as follows: green white, green, orange white, blue, blue white, orange, and brown white, brown.
For straight connection at both ends of the cable, we'll use single color code like your A color code. The application of straight LAN cable connection are to connect two dissimilar devices like your computer to a switch or a computer to various any other networking devices. For crossover connection at both ends of the cable, at one end we'll use A color code and at the other end of the cable we'll use B color code. Applications of crossover connection are to connect two similar devices like your switch to a switch, a hub to a hub, or your computer to a computer.
For rollover connection, at one end of the cable, we will be using either A color code or B, and at the other end of the cable, we will be using inversion of B color code or A color code. The most common use of rollover connection is to connect a computer to a router's console port.
Here we are going to show you straight connection LAN cable, and to complete this task we require the materials. First, your crimping tool to crimp the LAN cable, RJ45 connector, UTP Cat6 cable.
Let us start making our LAN cable. First you require a UTP category 6 cable. You will be hold a crimping tool in one hand like this, and place the LAN cable over here in the crimping tool. As you can see in the video, that here is the portion where you will be placing the LAN cable here. Now twist the LAN cable a little to make a small cut. Pay attention that cut should be small so that your LAN cable, so that the wires present inside the LAN cable do not get affected. As you can see, I have made a cut which is so smooth. Now remove this outer blue portion of the cable. Remove it. One more thing to notice is this. You also have to remove this white portion of the LAN cable through a crimping tool. Hold the crimping tool and remove this white portion completely.
Now, after removing this white portion of your UTP Cat6 cable with the help of this crimping tool, you can see these wires are twisted. These are 8 colored wires, amongst which 4 are stripped dual colored wires, whereas the other 4 are single colored. Here you can see these wires, all the 8 wires are colored. I am going to show you the separation of these 8 wires one by one. The first wire, which is in my fingers, this is a dual colored wire, orange-white. This is a mixed orange-white colored wire. Whereas the next wire is a single colored wire, completely orange in color. The next dual colored wires is your blue white. This is your blue white, mixed blue white colored wire. Next is single blue colored wire. The other one is stripped green white colored wire. The next is again a single colored green wire. The next dual stripped color wire is brown white, and the last 8th wire single colored, that is brown. We will arrange these wires according to the A color coding, that is first orange white. Keep straightening these wires with the help of your fingers so that it comes in the arrangement as mentioned. First the dual stripped colored wires, orange white, then single colored wire, that is your orange, then again a dual colored green white, single stripped color blue, dual colored wire blue white, single stripped colored wire green. Keep on straightening this wire and make sure that the arrangement does not get affected. Dual colored wire brown white, and at last the single colored wire brown. Keep on straightening this colored wires so that your connection does not get changed. Straighten the connections very carefully and a little bit hard. As you can see, this is in the A color code order: orange white orange, blue white, green white blue, blue white green, brown white brown, and brown. Now cut these wires. Cut these wires with the help of the crimping tool so that these wires are in the equal size. Make sure not to leave these wires. You can see that these wires are cut in equal size.
As you cut the wires straight, now you need a RJ45 connector. Hold the RJ45 connector such that it's locked. As you can see here, this lock should be downwards, and hold it like this. Now insert the arrangement as I have made this arrangement already. Pay attention that your arrangement should be cut straight. Now insert the arrangement in the RJ45 connector slowly so that arrangement could not get disturbed. By one hand, keep on pushing the arrangement, the color codes inside the connector like this. Arrangement should be hard. Now, as you can see, now we will be using crimping tool for tightening the connection. You take a crimping tool and place the connector over here.
With the help of crimping tool, you will tighten your connection. Place this connector in this port present in the crimping tool like this. Fix it properly and then press the crimping tool harder so that your connection is tightened properly. Here. After tightening your connection, you will see that the lock of the crimping tool is pressed a little bit, and that is how one end of the cable is got ready.
Again, cut the wires straight. Use a connector. Press the wires hard, push it. Push a little harder. Now, place the connector in the crimping tool over here and press. Similarly, the second port of the cable is also completed.
And now your straight connection LAN cable is ready.
Thank you for watching this video.
Hope you will be also making your straight connection LAN cable with the help of this video.
Thank you.